Hey beauties, good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. My name is Winifred and you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be learning one of the easiest way to make a fabric flower. There are so many ways to make it, but I'm going to be teaching you the easiest way. If this is what you like to learn, keep on watching, like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to drop your comments and questions in the comment section down below. So without too much talking, let's get to the honey of this video. Let's go.
I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel.
To make a fabric flower, of course you need a fabric, and the length of my fabric here is about 55 inches. I'm using crepe fabric. You can make it longer or shorter depending on your preference, and the width is about 6 inches. So by the time I ironed it on fold, it will be giving me about 3 inches. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to create a curve on the edge like so, and then I'm going to cut it out. There's no measurement for creating that curve. Just use your free hand and just create a slant at the side like that and cut it out. Do that on the other side of the fabric also, and then you are going to cut it out. So once that is done, the next step you are going to do is to open it and turn it to the wrong side, and then you are just going to run a stitch on that curve, and you're also going to do the same on the other side of the fabric. So let me quickly do that and show you now. So I've gone ahead to run a stitch on that end. I use the contrasting color so you can see what I'm doing. When you are doing yours, kindly use a matching color of thread. So once I was done, I turned it back to the right side, and I'm going to use the iron to just quickly press it down so that it can be very neat. So I'm going to iron it on both sides so that it can be very neat. And so once that is done, I've already threaded my needle. I'm also using a contrasting color so you can see what I'm doing. But when you are doing yours, please use a matching color of thread. So what I'm going to do now is to create gathered stitch all through the fabric that I'm using. So I'm going to be creating gathered stitches, and then after I've done that, I'm going to pull it like so. All right, so it's as simple as that. Just keep creating a gathered stitch, and then once you have created a gathered stitch, then you keep pulling it, and then you do that till you get to the end of the fabric. If you've gotten to this point and you are not yet subscribed, why now? Please hit the subscribe button, give me a like if you are enjoying this video, and if you have any tutorial you want me to work on, you can as well drop it, your requested video, in the comment section down below, and I'll be glad to do the tutorial for you. So now what you're going to be doing is to just keep running the gather stitch, and then you keep pulling as you go till you get to the end of the fabric. You can use any kind of fabric to make this fabric flower. You can use organza, you can use lace fabric, or any kind of fabric at all that you want to use. You can use it for this fabric flower. So once you get to the end of the flower, you are just going to finish up your gather stitch and pull it, and then you are going to secure your thread. All right, so I'm trying to secure my thread here now. So once I'm done securing my thread, you see how beautiful it's looking already, and it's already, curving in already, and I'm loving it. So what you are going to do is to start turning it in. You just hold it like so, and you start turning it in, and you stitch as you turn. So once you turn it in a little bit, you're just going to use the remaining thread on the fabric that you are holding just to stitch it down. So you hold it down very firm, make it very firm, and then you keep turning, and then you keep stitching it down. It's as simple as that. So you keep turning, and then you keep stitching it down. So by the time you stitch, you turn and stitch, you will realize that the middle in front of the fabric flower, the middle is going inside, and everything is going to come out neat for you. So you just keep twisting it and then you keep stitching it down. It might be a bit difficult or bulky. My fabric that I used was a bit thick. It's a crepe fabric, so it was thick and very difficult to sew. But if you take your time and you are really patient, you are going to get it. It's as easy as that. So you just keep on turning it and then you stitch it down and cut off your thread. So this was the final look. See how beautiful it looks. And then you can place it on your fabric, and you can do multiple ones and place it on your fabric. Thank you guys for watching. Till I see you in the next one. I love you and I care. Bye.